Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and these are your
Solve
notes for
x.
today.
X cubed
Start with your name.
8 over 27. I'm going to take the cube root of both sides.
And we're going to
There I am.
put today's
taking the
date, which
cube
is
root of x
Tuesday,
cubed. They cancel out. Cube root of 8 over cube root of 27.
5/26/2020.
Cube root of 27 is 3. That's the video.
You are going
Thanks
to
for watching.
take a test today.
Hey, this is Mr. Barr, and
The
this
test
is the
is open
quadratic
note.
formula lesson. This is going to be a big one. This is one of the bigger
And you may use a
topics in
calculator.
algebra. So the quadratic formula. So we're going to do some review first. First off, what is a quadratic? A quadratic is a second-degree polynomial. Here are some examples of quadratics.
Either an online calculator or a
squared,
handheld calculator.
equals x squared minus x minus 6. If I graph a quadratic, I get a parabola.
You must get the password.
Here's the graph of it. And the roots or the solutions to this quadratic are right here at -2 and 3, where the parabola crosses
By
the x-axis.
10:30 a.m.
And last time we learned that we could find those roots. That
I will
-2
be
and
in
that 3
Zoom
by
from
factoring it.
7:45 to
We could factor this thing out and find
10:30,
it.
ready to give out passwords.
So there it is factored. And the
If
roots
you don't
are
get a
at
password
3
within
and
about
-2.
5 minutes, you should check in with me
But
again and try to
we're
get a
gonna learn another
password. Don't
method.
just sit there waiting for me.
And it's called
Check
quadratic
in. I'm
formula.
pretty fast, but
here's how
if
it
I
works.
forget about you,
Get
check
your
in
notes.
again. Come into Zoom, get a password.
Notes over.
Must get a password by then.
Let's go.
And if you don't get it by
Let's go.
10:30,
This
well
is
then you're gonna have to
another way
wait
of
for me
finding
to pick up
those
my email or
roots.
my text
So in our
messages
notes,
later
let's
on
start
in the
with our
day.
name.
I will not be waiting around after 10:30. I will go and work on other things. And finally, I expect you to be honest.
And our topic today is
will
quadratic formula.
Be honest. Those are your notes. Make sure you check in
And
with
if you do a
me
YouTube search for this topic, you're
and
gonna find
get
lots of
the
lessons
password by
lessons
10:30
for it.
a.m.
It's just one of those really big